Ready to see a parking structure glow up? Let's talk GFRC. Our team observed the construction of UK's parking structure 8. The project consists of a 7-story parking structure, an expansion to the existing UK hospital parking structure, and a new 4-story office building that will be the new home of the UK Police Department. What is the secret ingredient to this design? Glass fiber reinforced concrete panels, or GFRC for short? And what makes GFRC so special? It's a composite material combining concrete with glass fibers, making it super strong yet lightweight. The installation process, surprisingly straightforward. First, the GFRC panels were prefabricated off-site, ensuring precision and quality. Then they were transported to the construction site and stored in the designated laydown area. The panels are gathered from laydown area and mounted with brackets, 12 per panel, and are ready to be installed like giant puzzle pieces. Panels are placed by workers onto the lift, and the lift moves from the ground to the install area. 2 panels are installed, lift is repositioned. 2 panels are installed, lift is repositioned, and 2 more panels are installed. Each panel was carefully aligned and secured, and all installed panels are then wiped down. Once this is finished, the lift is moved back down to the ground, and the process repeats, transforming the once ordinary structure into a modern masterpiece. Using value stream mapping, our team was able to analyze the install process and identify areas of value added, non-value added, but required, and pure waste. After looking at these findings and communicating with the superintendent, we found 3 key inefficiencies. Communication between Valley and Wet, which resulted in delay in general coordination, having to bring the lift all the way up and down every time, and manpower issues because of guys getting pulled off. To address this, we suggest implementing methods to improve communication, such as improving scheduling, clarifying responsibilities, and holding regular coordination meetings so teams can ensure work progresses smoothly. Additionally, workers having to descend to the bottom level of the parking garage each time they run out of materials, leading to wasted time and effort. By pre-positioning materials on each level, it would minimize unnecessary movement and increasing efficiency. Finally, to address the manpower issue, we suggest having less guys sorting and organizing the panels and more guys hanging them. Overall, the paneling we observed was installed at a rate of 6 panels every 50 minutes, significantly faster than the project manager's initial estimate of 3 panels per hour. This highlights their efficiency, as there is very little wasted effort in the process, and implementing these simple changes we believe could increase this efficiency even more. Here is how these changes would be communicated with the team.
So guys, today we're going to be looking at a couple things I've noticed while you guys are working. We call them lean inefficiencies where I'm from. But anyway, a few of them just being manpower issues. So some of your guys are getting pulled off to other places. We'll talk about it more in detail in a second. Also, inventory. I've noticed you guys could probably do a better job managing your inventory and putting it on different places to make your downtime a little less. And lastly, just communicating with other subs. I know we got a lot of work going around, but it's important you guys communicate with the other subs. Man, those guys from Wet are really annoying. You guys need to do a better job communicating with them so we don't get pushed off of that side of the job and we can continue to hang panels.
Yeah, we've noticed that's a problem as well. We can try talking to them to figure out if they got a good schedule going on so that we can figure out when they're working in that area so we can go work on something else.
That would be great. Thanks. Another issue I'm seeing with you guys is that you're understaffed a lot of the time. Some of your guys are getting pulled off, I know, to go work on drywall because you're a little behind there, but I just was wondering if there's any way you could combat this.
Well, that's true. We seem to have workers all over the project site trying to get a lot of progress done. And apart from bringing in more manpower, we could try to stick on schedule and do better work with the time we have. And talking to Wet might help with that.
I agree. Talking to Wet and trying to coordinate with them so that we're working there when they're not there and working on drywall when they are there. That'll help with things. Also, we could try to drag some guys off of inventory.
Another possible solution would be to put the panels on different levels of the garage, so that way you're not wasting a bunch of time going up and down in the thing to get more panels to hang.
That's dumb.
I agree. That's a terrible idea. Not only were you just complaining about manpower, but now you want to add a whole worker to distribute inventory between the floors. Also, that's a big safety concern. We can't have dudes hauling panels back and forth 60 feet in the air.
That's probably right. I'm an idiot. Cut.